Guys, welcome back to the Deranged YouTube channel, and today we're back in the workshop and we're going to be messing around with some of the projects we've got on. The main one is the Ferrari 308 Liberty Walk project, which we're doing a wide body, but as you know, if you've been watching the previous videos, we're going way beyond the Liberty Walk kit. We're totally custom fabricating bits for it, all sorts of stuff, different bonnet, different rear end with high level exhaust, and yeah. So we're going to work on that. We've also got the Evo 8 here we've brought in, and we're doing a full restoration, a light restoration I'd say, maybe full repaint and restoration, loads of rust and bits and bobs on this. So yeah, so we're going to crack on and do a little bit today. We're going to do this once a week now, so make sure you subscribe and hit notifications, and then every week you'll be updated on the bits we're going to be doing on the Ferrari and other projects. So the plan on the front end is we've got a little vent here, but we're going to make this big vent, and scoop right down into the rad. So we've got not only like better cooling, airflow, but as the airflow goes through, it acts as aero to push the front down. So a lot of modern track orientated Ferraris, like the P-Star or the Speciale, you always see like they've got a big air like bonnet vent, and the reason is for that aero. So I want to do something with this just so it gives that racy look, but also hopefully it might add to the aerodynamics of the car. So the only problem we've got with that is that the spare wheel originally went in here, so we're going to have to basically do away with this, do away with all of this and remake that look nice. So the plan is now there's rivets here. I'm going to pop the rivets out, drill them out, get rid of that section, and then we can start playing around with cutting the bonnet and making a template out of cardboard just to see how that's going to work. So once I've made all of that and also all the panels for the rear end, then we'll start making it out of metal. But first of all, I need to get rid of this, so that's the plan now. So what we've done is we've marked out the rough sides. We're having to bring this in because it's stuck. Mainly the cool pipe out of the radiator comes through here, so obviously when we're going to drop that down, it's going to be in the way. So we're going to fill this panel in here, and then bring it a bit narrower. Hopefully once we've cut this out in a minute, that will just fold down nicely, just curve down. We can make the side panels in just to see how it looks. So yeah, next stage, finish off cutting this, put it back in to see how everything lines up. for this week. As you can see, the 308's all sheeted back up. We've made good progress on it this week. We've cut all the bonnet, made the templates, and we know that now looks how I want it to look. So when we get onto the fabrication, actually cutting the metal and welding, we've got a good template for that. Next week, I'll be working on the rear end, so we'll be cutting that about and making templates for the high level exhaust section. So we've got to cut all the rear panel out. So that's pretty much it. But as always, make sure you subscribe, hit notifications so that you can see what's going on and you get notified when the next video comes out. As always, thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.